What's going on, guys? So you're watching John's vlog, and today we're gonna be putting an exhaust on. So real quick before I get some hate or something, I don't really care if I get hate, but these mounts right here were broke, so I cannot use them. Let me see if I can get this one. I can't use them. But the exhaust I had on here before was so tight you couldn't move it if you wanted to. So don't be worried about that, I guess. I'm sure I'm gonna get some hate for it for not trying to fix it, but honestly, it was already good enough. So we're just gonna rock on with this. So now I'm gonna put the exhaust in there and put the springs on there. When you're putting this exhaust on, they should come with these rubber O-rings to go around this part. You're gonna want to put those on. Ooh. There we go. Whew. See, this don't even move with the two springs are on it, so should be good to go. Sad thing is I don't have the rubber piece either. Could not find it, so we're just gonna rock on with that. Put this washer on, then a lot washer, and then one nut. Put a just there. Alright guys, the exhaust is done. It's looking awesome. I went with the longer one. I've had a shorty on the 85, and I was just curious what the, the Turbinecore was all about. So that's why that one's so long. I'm pretty excited to use it. Yeah, so she's looking way better than before. So that's awesome. And if you want to know what bolts, how I got these bolts and these rubber, I have a different video for that. Pretty much all the bolts, washers, and all that's $8. It's all at Lowe's. I put the codes in the video so you can see that if you're trying to find it. So yeah, I guess if you want to hear it, you're gonna have to watch the video of me riding it. I might try to ride it today, so that'll be like a couple of videos from now. I want to get this clutch shit done, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to for a little while. I'm gonna eventually buy a new new covers. Pretty excited about doing that. That's kind of why I don't really want to change my thing yet. My clutch stuff yet. I did do my cable the other day. I adjusted it, so that's ready to go. So yeah, if you want to see that, if you want to see all that stuff, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can see, so you get reminded, get those notifications about it. And then you can also, if you got any questions, leave a comment down below. Hit the like button if you like the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.